Hello everyone from beautiful Alanya. I'm Mesih and today I have two-bedroom apartment with two bathrooms in Tosmur region of Alanya with full facility and full furniture. Let's go and see this apartment together. So we are inside our apartment. Apartment is in 8th floor and we have two bedrooms and two bathrooms, open kitchen. All white goods are from Beko, which is Turkish company, and both living room and bedroom has direct access to the big balcony. As you can see, the balcony is very good view, and Dimcha is just 50 meters away from here, and beach is around 200 meters away from this project. This is our first master bedroom, which has his own bathroom over here. Our entrance is from here, direct access, and you have general bathroom over here, which everyone can use. All furniture is including, and this is our children's room, or we can say a small bedroom. And you have over here a small French balcony. And let's go and see the facilities area.